guys, and welcome back to another video. So today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a Microsoft Office Microsoft Office, most Office apps on a Chromebook or Chrome OS or Chrome OS Flex. So there were like some older methods, which, for example, you could just download YouTube Office apps from the Play Store, which was only exclusive to Chrome OS, which is also only on Chromebooks. But most Chromebooks released before Chromebooks were released before 2016 don't have that. And and you can also use the Chrome Web Store to get like Word online, Excel online, PowerPoint online, but you can't do that anymore. And those were available on both Chrome OS and Chrome OS Flex. So this is another method. So let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna want to go into Google Chrome here. And sorry about the fan if you hear it, it's just really loud for some reason. My Chromebook is just so loud. So then you want to go to Office. Just search up Office, or Office Web actually. And then you want to go to free Microsoft 365 Online Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Speaking of free, this is a free way to get it, but the apps are a little dumbed down. A little more restricting. So first of all, you're gonna wanna scroll down. You don't wanna sign in, because it just brings you to Copilot. Before it had you could go to Office apps and access your Office documents. I don't know why Microsoft replaced it. They should bring the old Office back. I don't know why they done that, because I don't know who would want to use AI for work, unless it's really hard, I guess. So you want to go to scroll down, and then you want to go to Word for the Web. So just click here, and then you can sign in here. You can sign in. I'm just gonna sign in with my email here. Okay. Can I even pause? Okay, I don't think I can. If you've signed in, it will bring you back to here. So you're signed in, and then what you're gonna want to do is you want to go to these three dots here, and then click it, and then go to I think you're gonna wanna go to Task, Save, and Share, and then create shortcuts, and then you can name it as Microsoft Word. I'm just gonna name it Word Online. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name mine Word Online. So and then click Create. You didn't have to check that checkbox there. And then you'll get this installed. So if you click it, okay, it goes to there. Okay, so I was wrong. If you want to change it, you can just right click here. You can even you could go to App Info. What you can do is go to here, double click, click with two fingers, and then I think you want to set this to new window, and then they'll open in its own window. Yeah, there we go. So this is still like the web version of Microsoft Word. Okay, I think there's still the web version of Microsoft Word. So yeah, and then you can get Excel for the web if you use Excel as well. So and then I'm just gonna sign in here. Hopefully it shows my account. Oh, okay, it's already. Oh, so yeah, I'm gonna sign in here, and then I'm going to wait for it. Okay, create shortcuts, and then I'm gonna name it Excel Online. And then I'm actually gonna check open as window. You don't actually have to check open as window actually. If you wanted to open in a Chrome as a Chrome tab, you can do that. But if you want it as a web app, just check this box, and then yeah, create. There we go. We have Excel on the web, and then now actually, just go to PowerPoint if you use PowerPoint or want PowerPoint. And then I'm just gonna go to sign in here. And then just sign in with your account. Come on. Okay, there we go. And I am signed in with my account. And then you just want to go to do the same thing. Just go here, create shortcuts, open as a window. I'm gonna check that, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So yeah, and then create. There we go. We also have PowerPoint here. Just gonna close these, and then there are some other apps you can also use. Yeah, I think the only other one is OneNote. And then you can just go to Microsoft OneNote here. And then I think you have to sign in if you want to use it on the web. So I'm just gonna sign myself in here. It's literally a new account I made today. I just gonna want to use my personal account. And yeah, you just want to go here, create shortcut. OneNote Online. Open this window and then create. So yeah. That's pretty cool. And yeah, now we have all these new apps here. And I think that's all the web apps you can actually get. Now let me show you what I mean by like it's dumbed down. So I'm just gonna go to Word here and just gonna create a blank document. And come on. I'm just gonna go into full screen for this. Oh, there we go. Okay, and we are in. We can type whatever we want. Okay, how is it lagging on the Chromebook that's this powerful? You'll see how powerful it is when I like make a video about it. So yeah, you're basically limited to like this stuff. I think in the like Office 2024 you have a lot more options here. I have it. I use it on my laptop. So yeah, it's like a lot more limiting here. In fact, I'm not gonna check myself. I mean, yeah, it's like a lot more limiting here. You can on file I mean I don't know like everything that's like that like I don't know everything that's that it doesn't like I don't know everything that's like features that are gone, but I think there are some. So yeah. So yeah, you're gonna type whatever you want in here. So yeah, I think this is kind of what I mean by it's dumbed down. Like you have less stuff here, and yeah, that's really all I know. There's probably a lot more stuff that's missing from the full version of Word, and yeah. So yeah. I think you just wanna like, yeah, so that's what I mean by it's like dumbed down a little bit. And you can still like download. Okay, I did not, what? Oh. Okay, for some reason it's opening this app. I don't know why. Opening. I don't know what. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. No, I wanna open it in Word. Okay. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Let me try just deleting that web app. No, I said I wanted it gone. Alright, so I'm just gonna uninstall it here. Alright, what if I try it now? Okay, I think it's just gonna go to OneDrive. What? Okay, I don't know what's happening now. But I'm just gonna go back. Okay, how do I just create a new document? Hopefully that'll work. Okay, I think it's working now. You can like download the oh my god, I don't know why it's so slow. Just come on. This is like a kind of powerful Chromebook. Just to let you know, most Chromebooks just suck. So yeah, you can download a copy of this, but I don't know if you can even use it like without the web. Because yeah, I mean it requires online, which is a problem. I'm just gonna put these in a folder here. Office. So yeah, I think that will be today's video. If you enjoyed this video, drop down a like. If you want to say something or tell me something, comment down below. And if you want to see more from me without missing out on it, without like missing it, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.